Trump hits, India shifts. Donald Trump's 25% tariff hit countries importing oil from Venezuela, and India wasn't spared from its impact. Reliance Industries, a major private oil importer, had to immediately halt its import of Venezuelan crude. But this wasn't just a crisis, it became a turning point. Reliance's director, Anant Ambani, took swift action. He explored new global partnerships and diversified oil supplies to ensure India's energy flow remained secure. With sharp leadership and a nation-first mindset, Reliance turned pressure into preparation. This isn't just about oil, it's about economic independence. Amid global tensions, India is learning to adapt quickly. And leaders like Anant Ambani are making sure that India doesn't just survive, it confidently leads on the global stage.